Welcome to ChopChopChef, and again thank you for joining me. This is really lovely. I really appreciate it. Today I would love to share with you one of my favorite salads. And today what you can see here on my Lazy Susan, I show you quickly. We have obviously hard to miss, right? No, this is not for the rabbits. No, this we will eat this later. It's called Endive salad. Then we have a little bit red currants. We have some edible flowers. They are only for decor. Then we have a beautiful garlic and horseradish potato salad dressing. And our main ingredient will be obviously our halloumi cheese with a little bit red radish and so on. So we will grill this halloumi cheese, right, on the barbecue, and then I will clean obviously the beautiful endive salad and the presentation. So simple. All right, you like to come with me on the barbecue? Okay, let's go. Okay, everybody. So our halloumi cheese, we put it nicely on the hot barbecue. We just want to give it a little nice charcoal look. Obviously, is one thing. And additional sort of flavor. The halloumi is already quite salty, as most of you know. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so let's see. I mean, if we got enough. That's what we want, right? Perfect. So let's turn this one over. Okay. Schwuppdiwupp. Very good. One more time. Alrighty. Turn the heat source off a little bit, or turn it back, I should say it. All right, so today I grilled the halloumi on the grill as you were with me, right? And I cleaned the endive lettuce. Here we go, very easy. We have a mixing bowl. No big thing here. We're taking our endive, put it all in here nicely. So this is an easy thing. And then as well, as you can find on my YouTube channel, on the previous segments I did this potato, garlic, horseradish dressing. As you see, I mean, it's chunky. That's what it is, the potato, right? And they have to combine these lettuce leaves. They have to coat it really, right? So this is our aim. Let's put that on the side for the moment, and we just mix this. This needs definitely good coating. And the good thing is, this dressing, as the word says, coating, soon it sticks on it, it will be there. So this is the nice thing. I like it. Okay. So this is easy. All right. Then presentation wise, I have this plate here. We have our grilled halloumi, as you noticed from outside. So we just put those maybe, and it's up to you. I mean, you want to give 2 or 3 or 1. So we have this one. Then, obviously, we're taking our beautiful endive and put it nicely in the middle of this. Looking good. But this is long, not all. You come back here, my friend. Okay. All right. So we got this one. Now I have some red radish. And yes, now I have this is like a truffle machine, right? So why is this one? Now I just make very fine slices all over. Look at this, beautiful, right? That's only you can do with this special device, what I have in my hands here. All right, so this is this one, that's that. No, this is not all, that's not all. For this salad, I like to have as well red currant, the tanginess of this flavor from those. We put some on there as well. Beautiful. And while we have this one so nicely, there will be then later on one as a garnish just hanging around here. Yeah, and yes, you believe it or not, we put more color on here, so make it really super pretty. Yeah, we have even maybe some edible flowers, which we just randomly spring on it. And as always, we put a touch of cracked pepper on it, and we drizzled some olive oil over our special summer salad. Yeah, just a little bit over here, a little bit over the halloumi. Yeah, so nice, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, ladies and gentlemen, wasn't it quick? Have a look at that beautiful salad. Yeah, grilled halloumi with endive salad with a potato horseradish dressing for you to enjoy. Check it out, it's so good. Everybody will like it. Promise.